Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 15-minute chart. Let me explain where exactly we enter and what is the reason behind that. So if you can see, this is the wave first. This is a buyer territory, and this is the pullback again, and another, this is the buyer territory. So here, let me zoom a little bit. Means they are running an uptrend, and this is the 5-minute chart. Now you can see 5-minute chart. That was our trading session. Okay, that was our high and that was our low. And finally, price opened a little bit above this lower session, this area, but price not able to sustain below this level. Okay, that is the perfect point to identify that trend will reverse from this area. Means the price was running in a downtrend. This is called corrective wave according to pullback theory. This is the corrective wave. All right. So now here, let me zoom a little bit in this area. Okay, just a minute. Let me make this session. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you can see that was a session of rejection. If you not see in a small time frame, there, according to price action method, that was a rejection. So we will see later. So first you understand, here you can see price drop, pull back, again drop. Now price running a sideways, again goes up a little bit, pull back and goes up. Okay, so means this wave, that was higher point, and finally they broke this higher point. So means downtrend, this is called temporarily downtrend, is over. Now we need a little bit correction to enter, and we need a money spot. So finally price drop and the sideways goes up, and this is called money spot, and that was our entry point. And let me show you in a small time frame. First let me circle this area. Okay, and let me use this area also. Okay, so we'll resume this area in 1-minute chart. What was the price action? So in just a minute. Okay, let me remove. Okay, perfect. All right, now you can see, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now you can see price drop again in the time frame, goes up. Now you can see choppy market, and we need confirmation. Goes up. We need confirmation. So finally, where we got the confirmation? Somewhere here. So now you can see this is a large price from an impulsive wave. Finally, they again price drop and money spot goes up. They broke this entire range, and that is our money spot point. And exactly we enter. Today I trade only once. All right. So I use 1:3, and let me show you. My entry point was somewhere here in this area, and my SL is 50 point, like that, and my target is 150. That is my ideal point. Okay, so I booked my profit here. All right, it's too long, but price goes beyond that area, but I'm not greedy that much. To hit my target, it takes a little bit time. Finally, normally we try to catch the momentum. Once we place the order, so we expecting that price may run, or you can say price shoot out in our direction. All right. So then when shoot out very fast, our premium also increasing. But when they are running like that, so because of theta, we are getting less profit. Okay, because of theta decay. Okay, that was our trading setup today. Okay, so let me explain for tomorrow. So where we want to enter, let's go to 5-minute chart, and here you can see. So finally they are creating higher high and a higher low. So basically we are looking for buy when price will give a pullback. So in that case, you must find out some demand zone or break out the structure. All right, so basically we use like that. So as I said, so here is the money spot point and it will go up like that. So we need a pullback. We don't want to enter if price goes like that. We don't want to. We need a pullback like that anywhere. All right. So that is our entry point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.